In the fast-evolving world of photography, mirrorless cameras have become the new front-runners, surpassing traditional DSLRs in both speed and innovation. Unlike DSLRs, mirrorless cameras do not have a reflex mirror that needs to flip up and down every time. Just like the name suggests, they are mirrorless. In this video, we'll be breaking down the top 5 best mirrorless cameras that you can get your hands on in 2024. The only issue is that what works perfectly for one person might not work for another. That's why we've handpicked the best one that caters to different situations. We have also given the link to each camera in the description box below so you can get one for yourself. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. Number 1. Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 RFS18 is probably the most user-friendly mirrorless camera that you'll come across. It's compact, it's lightweight, and it's perfect for content creators who are always on the go. The first thing that you'll notice about this camera is its 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that ensures images come out as sharp and vibrant as possible. With the help of the Digic X image processor, this camera can also shoot crystal clear 4K 60p videos. So, no matter if you're a YouTuber who films their vlogs, a wildlife photographer, or someone who just loves capturing memories, the EOS R7 has got you covered. It also has a high-speed continuous shooting feature that can capture up to 15 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced action shots. With its 5-axis image stabilization, you never have to worry about shaky footage or blurry photos again. What's even more impressive is that it's compatible with various lens mounts, so you can easily switch out lenses depending on your needs. Aside from its technical features, the Canon EOS R7 also has a sleek and modern design that's easy to grip and carry around. Plus, its vibrant LED screen ensures you can preview your shots with ease. All in all, the Canon EOS R7 is a great mirrorless camera that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. It includes everything you need to start your photography journey, including a strap, battery charger, and battery pack. So don't let its compact size fool you. This camera packs a punch. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix G95D. Are you a creative soul always on the lookout for a versatile and portable camera to capture your artistic vision? The Panasonic Lumix G95D might be just what you need. This Micro Four Thirds mirrorless camera is designed for both serious photographers and aspiring content creators. It boasts a powerful 20.3 megapixel digital live MOS sensor, delivering crisp and vibrant images that truly stand out. The Lumix G95D excels in versatility with its 4K video capture capabilities, perfect for high-quality video production. Whether you're shooting cinematic scenes or recording your latest vlog, its pre-installed Vlog L profile and 12 stops of dynamic range offer impressive flexibility during post-production. The camera's weather-sealed body and lightweight design make it ideal for any adventure, while the 12 to 60 mm power OIS lens ensures clear and sharp images. Plus, the Lumix G95D features a flexible, free-angle monitor and live view composite mode, allowing you to experiment with creative compositions. For enhanced audio, it includes an external microphone and headphone jacks. This camera truly caters to the needs of those who want to push their creative boundaries. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the Lumix is a fantastic option that won't disappoint. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7 IV. This full-frame mirrorless camera from Sony is like a powerhouse in a compact package. The Alpha 7 IV boasts a stunning 33 megapixel Exmor-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor, which delivers exceptional image quality with impressive detail and dynamic range. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, this camera provides crystal clear results with vibrant colors and sharpness. One of the best features of the Alpha 7 IV is its next-generation BIONZXR image processing engine. This powerful engine is 8 times more capable than previous models, ensuring faster processing speeds and superior image quality. With this technology, you can expect faster autofocus, improved low-light performance, and reduced noise, making it an excellent choice for both photography and video. In addition, the camera includes a digital MI shoe, which supports advanced accessories like the ECM B10 shotgun microphone. This microphone utilizes beamforming technology, offering 3 switchable directivities to capture clear audio from any direction. Compact and portable, measuring just 3.122 inches in length, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is perfect for those who need high performance without the bulk. So if you're looking for a versatile camera that can handle any shooting scenario, this one's definitely worth considering. Number 4. Canon EOS R5C mirrorless camera. The price of this camera might make you do a double take, but the Canon EOS R5C truly delivers unparalleled performance for those who demand only the best. Featuring a DGCX processor, this powerhouse offers 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, giving you movie theater quality footage with stunning detail. The camera's ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 102,400, ensures vibrant, crisp photos in various lighting conditions. The Canon EOS R5C utilizes a dual-pixel CMOS AF system with ITR AFX, which allows every pixel to contribute to high-precision focusing and image clarity. This system, combined with touch and manual AF controls, ensures you capture sharp images every time. The camera supports high-speed continuous shooting up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter, making it ideal for fast-paced action shots. Equipped with an internal cooling fan, the EOS R5C offers uninterrupted 8K recording. Its ergonomic design and extensive professional features, including 4K and 2K oversampling and various recording options, make it a top choice for filmmakers and photographers who demand the best quality. So, if you're a professional or aspiring to be one, the Canon EOS R5C is worth every penny. Number 5. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is what you can call an all-rounder. It is perfect for photography, it is also great for videography, and it is also great for vlogging as well. First, let's speak about its body. This mirrorless hybrid model is perfect for enthusiasts. It has a sturdy and weather-sealed body that can withstand all kinds of weather conditions. The ergonomic design of this camera makes it very comfortable to hold and use, even if you are using it for a longer time. The in-body image stabilization system of the R6 Mark II is very effective, helping you get steady shots even at slower shutter speeds. Now, what really matters in a camera is its sensor, and the R6 Mark II has an outstanding 24.2 full-frame CMOS sensor. It has excellent dynamic range and great low-light noise handling, making it perfect for capturing various photography styles. The autofocus tracking system of this camera is also superb, allowing you to capture action shots with ease. And if you want to capture continuous shots, no problem. With its electronic shutter, the R6 Mark II can shoot up to 40 frames per second. While the price of this masterpiece is on the higher side, it is totally worth it for all the amazing features it offers. Its versatile performance makes it a top choice for both professional photographers and hobbyists alike. So, there you have it. The top 5 best mirrorless cameras of 2024. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting on your photography journey, these cameras offer great features and performance to suit every need. From compact designs to powerful processors and advanced autofocus systems, each camera has its unique strengths that make it a top contender in the market. So, if you want to buy a new mirrorless camera or upgrade your current one, these 5 options are definitely worth considering. To get one, simply head to the description box below and click on the links provided. With any of these cameras, you can capture stunning photos and videos that will last a lifetime.